Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Measure, Mix and Make Today I want to show you how you can make money in the comfort of your home by producing white tooth powder using these key items: calcium carbonate, kaolin clay, sodium bicarbonate, sodium glutamate, magnesium hydroxide, xylitol, and peppermint oil. Now, to prepare your whitening tooth powder, you need to measure calcium carbonate. Your abrasive, you measure 10 grams of calcium carbonate. Okay, put your bowl. You measure 6 grams of bicarbonate. Your baking soda, which you use in your kitchen for baking. Measure 6 grams of it. This is exactly 6 grams. You turn into your bowl. Kaolin clay 5 grams. Exactly 5 grams. You also add into your bowl. You measure 2 grams of sodium cocoa glutamate. Sodium cocoa glutamate. This is our foaming agent. 2 grams. This is exactly 2 grams. You turn into your bowl. 2 grams of xylitol. Exactly 2 grams. You add up magnesium hydroxide. This helps in whitening the teeth. Magnesium hydroxide 2 grams. This is exactly 2 grams. You also turn into your bowl. Now, you blend all the powders together. Blend all the powders together. As you can see, you blend all the powders together. In fact, this is pocket never dry. If you venture into this, you make money by selling whitening tooth powder. You just prepare it there in your kitchen, bottle it, and send to local stores. Your pocket can never dry. So what you do now is to drop your peppermint. You drop your peppermint essential oil. About 8 drops of peppermint essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember all these things, you add to your own taste. Add to your own taste. You can adjust the formula when you use it. You can either add or reduce depending on your taste. But this is exactly how you can make your whitening tooth powder. You can use it or you can sell it, whichever way you wish. Now the tooth powder is done. Now we transfer this to our bottle and try our product and see how it works. You can brand your bottle and name your product, design your logo, then send your product to the market. Now we are going to give our product a trial and see how it works. As you can see, our product is superb. Yes, it will beat 1001 products there in the market. If you want to make it into larger quantity, you can then adjust the formula. You multiply based on the batch. Don't forget to touch the subscription button so that you will get our next formula for our next production. Bye.